Hey y'all, today we're playing MM2 while in the car to a trip, by the way. Ignore the music in my car.
Spectating.
But 2 on our road to 1K sub. Yes, you go bacon. Luell had doing the splits. Whatever. Anyways. Why? Oh my god, what? He has an ice burstier, my dream item. Checking profiles.
OMGGGGGSHHHHFISGRIFFF. MYCHNCE.
No.
Brew, I could have shot him. That was my chance. Ojlaxia tease-wise.
UGH Inasan.
Yeah, like left, right.
The lag.
Yeah, ball shot. Yeah, ball shot.
Yeehaw.
Yeah, like left, right, left, right. It does trick people sometimes.
Trying to see if the EX82 is real. ITS real. I have no words. Okay, yeah, I do have words. Which are G-Puxt Shaffius. Not my silly, goofy brain thinking this is mill base. Why are you showing me the gun?
That's suspicious.
Okay, bye. OMGGG. Gee, I knew IT was him. Okay, why is Brolock camping though? This round was so long, so I'ma cut it. Okay, so the Murd won. Nis. This is where I started to get car sick. But it's okay, beef. I'll do anything for y'all. brew in. No. The lag is scaring me. Is it just me or I think he's AFK? Whatever. Oh, it's her. Loki juking? Okay, nah, never mind. Spectating. Why is she just emoting? Wait, he's not AFK? My bad. Girl, I like ice cream too. So let's talk about what we are doing after this car ride. We are going to go to the jacuzzi like at 9 o'clock. Server hoping though. I think it's a good server IDK. Okay, so yay. And the next day, we're going to go to the pool. And I forgot to mention, we are going to a hotel. Looking what he used for fake core blocks. These two look like teamers, and Jill? I'll keep an eye on y'all in case y'all teamin'. BTW, happy early Easter. I turned it off and fell asleep, so yeah, bye E.